Once you log into the dashboard, you will see the links you will use on the left side of the site. These links contain all the features that will allow you to manage your content, your channel, and your feeds. If you are logging into the system for the first time, after filling out the Excel template you downloaded from RokuFeedGenerator.com, you can automatically add your data to the system by going to Import Jobs under the Import Content section. After clicking on the Import Jobs link, you will see a button named Add Import Job at the top right of the page that opens. When you click this button, the new page that opens will ask you for which company and channel you will add this data. After filling these fields, upload your file to the File field and press the Save button. Wait while your file is uploaded and see your file upload result. If you received successful results, your data has been uploaded to the system. If you received an error, correct the errors in your Excel and re-upload it to the system. If you have problems with this issue and would like support, please contact us from the customer support section.